Hello, it is great to have you with me today. Here is a quick review of how you can make Microsoft Excel more productive by using Flash Fill. Flash Fill automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern. In this example, we are going to use Flash Fill to automatically populate email addresses from a column. To populate email addresses from a column, first type the email address and press enter. To automatically populate the email addresses, press shortcut key, Ctrl-E. As you can see, Excel recognized the email pattern and it automatically did the work for us. Now, let's try separating the names and last name. Let's type the name and last name. Press shortcut, Ctrl-E. From the menu, we can also select Flash Fill. Please give us thumbs up if you found this video useful.